Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna start with sum number 4, exercise 15.2. If each equal side of an isosceles triangle ABC is 10 centimeter and length of base is 4 centimeter, let us write by calculating the area of the triangle ABC. So therefore, base is 4 centimeter and equal sides is 10 centimeter. So therefore, if we're gonna draw a picture like this one, if ABC, this is 10, this is 10 and this is 4. So therefore we're gonna say that AB equal to AC equal to 10 centimeter and BC equal to 4 centimeter. We know the formula of area of the triangle is half into base into height, where in this sum the height is not here. So therefore we have to use the Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b s minus c. One more thing, in this book the area of the isosceles triangle is given as half into base into a square minus b square by 4 unit, where b is the base, this is known as the base, and a is known as the equal sides. My suggestion or my opinion is, for very short question like this one you can use it, but if you want to use the Heron's formula, the formation is easier than this one. Sometimes the root, whenever the answer is in root or fraction, in this procedure the sum will be difficult. If we use this procedure, therefore we can write area equal to half into base means 4 into a means equal sides, so a square means 10, 10 square means 100, b square means 4 into 4 or 4 square by 4 square unit. Therefore the area should be half into 4 into root over 10 square means 100 minus 4 square means 16 by 4. If we eliminate this, therefore we get 4. 2 4 2, therefore we get 2 into 100 minus 4 means root over 96 unit, square unit. We know 96 means 16 into 6, so therefore we're gonna square root this one. For 16 we're gonna get 4 and this root 6. So therefore we're gonna say that 2 into 4 root 6 means 8 root 6 square unit. If anyone want to do that in the Heron's formula, therefore area equal to root over s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square unit, where s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S means a plus b plus c means 3 sides, means 10 plus 4 plus 10. 10 plus 4 plus 10 by 2 means 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 by 2 equal to 12. So therefore we gonna get 12, 12 minus 10, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 10 square unit. 12 minus 10 means 2, 12 minus 4 means 8 and 12 minus 10 means 2. This 2 into 2 means 4 and 12 into 8 means 96. For root 4 we're gonna get 2, and for root 96 same here also. Root 96 means 4 root 6, 4 root 6, 4 into 2 8 root 6. For this two procedure the answer will be same, 8 root 6 and 8 root 6, but my preference is always use this kind of formation, because this is very important, not for isosceles triangle, also for any triangle. So better you use this formation, Heron's formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is very important sum number 6. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 544 centimeter and the length of each equal side is 5/6 of the length of the base. Let us write by calculating the area of the triangle. So therefore first let base is x centimeter. So equal side is 5/6 of the base. We know that 5/6 of the base, so 5/6 into x equal to 5x/6 centimeter. So according to the problem, first of all, if this is a triangle, this is 5x/6, this is 5x/6 and this is x. So perimeter means this side plus this side plus this side. So therefore we gonna say that 5x/6 plus x plus 5x/6 equal to 544. LCM is 6, therefore we get 5x plus 6x plus 5x equal to 544. 5x plus 5x 10x plus 6x 16x. 16x by 6 equal to 544. Therefore we get x equal to 544 into 6 by 16. Therefore we get 16 first, 48 3, 64 4, 34 into 6. 34 into 6 means 204 centimeter. So equals first base is 204 centimeter. So therefore equal sides be 204 into 5/6 equal to 34 into 5 170 centimeter. So therefore if we're gonna find the area of the triangle, we're gonna use the Heron's formula. So S equal to a plus b plus c by 2 means 204 plus 170 plus 170 by 2 means 544 by 2 means 272. So therefore area is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square centimeter. Therefore s means 272, s minus a means 272 minus 170, 272 minus, just eliminate a, b, c. A and c both are equal means 170 and b is the base is 204. So 204, 272 minus 170 square centimeter. So 272 minus 170 means 102. 272 minus 204 means 68. and 272 minus 170 means 102. 272 means 68 into 4 into 102 into 68 into 102. So therefore, if we're gonna square root this one, for this 268 we're gonna write down 68. For this 4 we're gonna write into 2. For this 202 we're gonna write down 102. So if we're gonna square root this one, there are 268, therefore we're gonna get 168. There is 2102, therefore we get 102, and there is 14, therefore the square root of 4 is 2. So this is the answer, centimeter square. Now so 136 into 102, therefore we're gonna multiply this one. 72 to so the answer is 13872 centimeter square. This is the answer, area of this triangle. Now the sum number 7. If the length of hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is 12 root 2 centimeter, let us write by calculating the area of this triangle. So therefore, first we have to draw this diagram. This is very important. This is an right angle isosceles triangle, means this angle is 90 degree and these two sides, base and height, are equal, where these sides are equal, and this is the hypotenuse. We know the hypotenuse is 12 root 2 centimeter. This is ABC. So let in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. So therefore AB perpendicular to AC. Therefore let AB equal to BC equal to x centimeter. We're gonna assume that this side is x, so therefore base and height both are equal in right angle isosceles triangle always. So therefore this is x also. So AB equal to BC equal to x centimeter. Now from right angle triangle, we're gonna say that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. We know that from Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square by Pythagoras theorem. Please check my spelling also. Okay. Now AB means x, so therefore x square. BC means x square. AC means 12 root 2 whole square. So x square a plus x square means 2x square. 12 root 2 square means 12 root 2 into 12 root 2. It means 12 into 12 144, and 2 into root 2 into root 2 means 2. So 144 into 2 means 288. So therefore we gonna get here 288. So 2x square equal to x square equal to 288 by 2 means 144. So therefore x equal to 12 centimeter. If we gonna square root of 144, therefore we got x equal to 12 centimeter. Now the area of this triangle ABC equal to half into base into height, because here we know this is AB perpendicular on BC, therefore we know that height and base also. So therefore half into base means x and height means also x centimeter square. Now we have to put those value. X means 12, this x means 12, 6 into 12, 72 centimeter square. So area of this triangle ABC is 72 centimeter square. This is very important.